Hello and welcome here. I'm Samuel for cryptospreadtrader.com. So I'm the creator of this bot, and I noticed that a lot of users don't know how to use it. So basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna be completely transparent. You're gonna see my own accounts, and I'm going to show you how I use a bot personally and how I make my profits with it. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the creator of this bot, and I'm just making my profits on this market the way I'm showing you. Okay, so that's all. So let's start with a macro view of the situation. So here I pulled three charts. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Why these three? Simply because I hold these three coins, which I trade versus other coins, to make more of them, okay, during this bull market. So this is my strategy to make more profits. I also have some USDT, but most of my coins are shifted into these to ride the wave with the market. So there's nothing really bad to say about Bitcoin. It's just skyrocketing. The bubble is continuing. Okay, I don't think it's gonna pop right now, but we are approaching slowly. I think in a few months we're gonna have to get out of this market before the crash. But for now, it seems pretty strong. The price is holding this support really well, and it's over its 21 moving average. So all good, all lights are green. Same for Ethereum. Here we had a massive pullback. I think I have two or three bots which triggered losses during this pullback, but now we are back up, holding still over the moving average. Everything is fine, getting ready for this next leg, I hope so. Okay, and Binance Coin, perfect pattern, very nice consolidation, respecting this this line. I'm expecting a break to the upside. Okay, I would be really surprised if it went to the south, but we never know. But now, for me, in my opinion, it seems solid. So I'm gonna stay in the mindset of the bull market. Up. So now let's go to the bot dashboard. So in this video, I can't cover all aspects of the bot. I can't explain to you how to really build your strategy. Strategy is quite simple. Okay, it's more how to configure your bot. But there's a dedicated video to this that I'm gonna put in the description below. It's the same video that you will receive if you create an account on the bot, and I will go much more into details on how to do it. So if you're just looking at this video and you don't want to learn more from it, what I would suggest is maybe you can clone the bots that seem nice to you. Okay, to clone a bot, you just go on the leaderboard. Here you can see you have the IDs of my bots, and you can clone it. The IDs are here, sorry, and you can clone whichever you want. You're not forced to clone mine, of course. Do whatever you want. It's just an example. There are other users with other bots. You just need to know how to read this. So I'm going to explain it really quickly. Basically, you have the amount of trades. So the more trades, the more confident you can be in this bot performances. The stop loss that has been triggered. So here you can see I have on this BNB USDT 72 trades done, one stop loss. So this makes a 98.61% win rate. It has been executed since this date. The maximum loss, this means that in one trade, okay, the amount that you put in only one trade, so with all the orders filled, will be of 22% of the invested amount. Okay, so just to give you an example, I'm gonna show you the bot here. So since my order size is 1000 USD, I have no multiplier, it's 1. So each order will be 1000 USD. So 1000, 1000, 1000, making a total of 3000. So this means that the maximum loss, which was 22.83, it's the same here, would mean that I would lose this amount of $3,000, which represents in this case 659.94 USDT. I hope I'm clear. I know I'm used to the bot, so I might be very quick, but if you have any question or doubt, don't hesitate to put it in the comment below. The percentage here, you will see that the percentage usually is lower when you have more trades. This is simple because you have losses sometimes, and this reduces the all-time profit and loss. But how you should read it is that, let's say there are 72 trades, okay? It's not forced that every layer is filled. So let's say in average we have 2 layers filled, so $2,000. You would do 72 times $2,000, which would make roughly about 144,000, I think. And on this amount, you would make 5.82%. Doesn't mean that you will make, it means that it has made in the past, okay? Past performance does not actually say that the future will be the same. Market changes, you don't really know, and we're only playing on statistics. Okay, so it's very important to keep this in mind when you trade. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard, which is here. So as I said, I trade different currencies. So here I trade ADA to make BTC. Here I trade BNB Up, which is a leverage token that Binance offers. I'm gonna go more into details in another video about this subject. So basically it's a token with more volatility than the underlying asset, which is BNB USDT. So this bot is to make more USDT, this one too, this one more BTC, etc. Here you have more for, I want to make more BNB, same Raven BNB, Sushi BNB. Okay, so this one hasn't done a trade yet, maybe the configuration is not very good. So when you see small amounts, usually what I do small tests with small amounts, and once I'm confident in the configuration, I will simply put more bigger orders, okay, more cash into it. So something important, in the account statistics, you have a new table here, which allows you to really manage your holdings separately. So here you can see my holdings in BNB on my Binance account, the invested amount. So this is the amount the bot has currently invested and is in the trades. This is the maximum investment I would need in BNB if all the buy orders were filled. So you need to keep this always under 100% or 200%. You should not exceed. Why do I exceed personally? Is because I stake most of my coins. So I have more BNB than this, but I stake it somewhere else. And if I see that my invested part is getting very, very high, like 80%, I will say, okay, I need to unstake some of them and send them to the holding so that I can cover my investment. So I do these for all my pairs, basically. And here you can see, so the maximum loss, this is very unlikely to happen actually, because we cover very wide ranges of price drops. Okay, so maybe you have 1 or 2 bots that stop, but it's extremely rare that you have all your bots stopping because it's different markets you're trading. And here's the profits. So this is on a 3 months period. Same for, okay, this is a very small account in BTC. This is my Ethereum account, which is not doing so good. Actually, the NEM had a big drop recently and it stopped. As I started the bot, I got directly a loss. And the USDT, which made very decent profits. Okay, I know you guys are gonna check the amounts, okay, even my account balance. You will see big fluctuations anyway, because I move my coins from one platform to another on a manual trading. This is for other stuff, okay, that's not linked to the bot. So it's perfectly normal to see big drops and all. So just don't refer to this, just watch the profits. This is the only line that is important for us. It's the cumulated profits. Okay, so this is cumulative on 3 months, and we can see that even when there's a pullback, so we had some waves, but we're still moving steadily up. So our goal is not to make millions Okay, our goal is just to, for my goal, okay, maybe yours it is, but I'm not a gambler. I just want to make consistent profits in every market situation all the time. Okay, so for me the most important is doing profits and not losing. That's the only thing. So the monthly profits here are very low compared to previous month. It's only 25% because previous month it was 10.6 K. Okay, so all this being said, let's see how do I handle this every day. Okay, so I have a look quite often to it, but you're not forced, but you need to check at least your emails because sometimes bot might stop for different causes. Sometimes it can be an update or an API update of the exchange. It can be insufficient funds. It can be different things. So I recommend to keep an eye even on a daily basis. Just open the thing and have a look. What I do usually is check the bots that have a lot of trades to sell, okay, that are filled. So for example, sell in BTC. So here we can see that the price is going in a straight line between these two boundaries. They're with a little incline, so maybe it's gonna take its profit soon. I hope so. But for now, yeah, there's nothing to stress about. Something I would like to say is that it's a bad idea to change your configuration while you're in a trade. Okay, I did this before, but it messes up your stats, and usually your configuration works because you configured it at not when you were in the market, so you had no emotion, you know. So I prefer letting a bot lose and then reassess, and most of the time I just do nothing and let it run, continue running, because it's gonna make profits right away afterwards. Then changing it during the trade. So okay, we can have a look to Rose BNB. I think it just closed the trade. It takes some time before this column gets updated. Let's refresh and see. Okay, so it just closed the trade today. Cool. During this video, actually, it's Rose USDT. So let's have a look. So you can see here there's very high win rates, and some of them has done a lot of trades yet. Okay, perfect. So the take profit was here. So now that the trade is finished, all the lines are back to green, and it's gonna wait for a pullback before again starting to buy with this kind of grid trading. Okay, it's not exactly grid trading, but it's kind of. So that's it. Maybe I can give you some insights here on how to read this. Basically, here you have your loss to win ratio. So a win to loss ratio, sorry. So this means that I need, if there's only one order triggered, I would need 7 wins for 1 loss. If there are 2 orders triggered and we take profit, I would need 6 wins for 1 loss. And if 3 orders were bought and sold, I would need 4 like those to cover 1 loss. So you can see the losses are much bigger, but we cover such a huge drop every time that the win rate is extremely high. So on this one, it's 100% again. Okay, I'm gonna check one where it's not 100. So here we have 72. I showed it before. And this is a good example. So you can see how it did on all the market conditions. So our stop was here. Whoops. So 1 buy, 2, 3, up, the market bounced, but not enough. That is sad because I think we were not very far, and it fell again, and here the bot decided to stop. So it stopped, and if I had cut the bot, I would lose directly all the rest of the profit. So it bought here again, here twice, it sold here. Okay, so this should be a partial fill, I guess, and it made profits here. bought here, sold here, bought here, sold. So you see, after a loss, usually the market recovers and you continue making profits. So this is why it's better not to stop bots, in my opinion. Okay, after a stop. Okay, so just to have a big overview, the market is really slow on this last month. We could try to maybe trade smaller ranges, and it's what I would do in a flat market, but for now I'm still expecting a big leg up. I don't really want to bother about trading small ranges because I need to be more active. I need to check every day, because when you cover small ranges you're more likely to make losses. So I think maybe I have this one, I'm not sure. No, yeah, this one is, no, it's not small ranges. Let me have a look here. The solo, okay, this is very illiquid market. Okay, anyway, no need to discuss about this. I prefer letting the bot like this. This is my personal choice. I let it run. I think the market is not over, and I will make my profits like this. Okay, I hope this gives you kind of a better idea of how I'm using it. I will try to do this more regularly, and so that you see when the trend will shift, how I'm gonna shift my bots too. So I will deactivate some of them, I will reactivate other of them. I will trade other markets. So when we'll be shifting in a downtrend, we might be trading the leverage down tokens, which will do the exact opposite. So the market will go down and this one will go up. So there's this, and we will have different strategies. Anyway, I won't discuss about this now. We're gonna see how it evolves. If you have any questions, okay, I'm not really used to do this, so just write it down in the comments below, and it will be my pleasure to answer them. And I might do even another video if I find some of these questions quite interesting, explaining all what you need to know. So thanks for your time. I hope you enjoy the bot. I hope you're managing to trade well with it, and I wish you good luck for this excellent times we are in, and have a good day.